Understanding API Testing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore a technical term from the world of computer programming, API testing. This is a phrase you might encounter if you're interested in technology or software development. So, let's dive in and understand what it means. Before we talk about API testing, it's important to understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. Just like a waiter takes your order and brings you food from the kitchen, an API takes requests from a user or a program and delivers responses from a server or database. It's a way for different software programs to communicate with each other. Now, let's talk about testing in the software world. Testing is like proofreading an essay or checking a machine before it's used. It's all about making sure that software works correctly, is free of errors, and does what it's supposed to do. In software development, testing is a crucial step to ensure the quality and reliability of programs. Combining the two concepts, API testing is the process of checking APIs to make sure they work properly. It involves sending requests to the API and checking the responses to see if they are correct and as expected. It's like testing the waiter in our earlier example, making sure they take the right order and bring the right food. API testing is important because APIs are central to modern software development. They allow different parts of a software system to communicate. If the API has problems, this can lead to issues in the software, such as errors or security vulnerabilities. So, API testing helps in identifying problems before the software is used by people, which is crucial for creating reliable and secure applications. We hope this video has helped you understand the term API testing. It's a key concept in the world of software development, vital for ensuring that applications work smoothly and securely. If you're interested in technology, understanding terms like this can be really helpful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.